Is there a NumPy function to return the first index of something in an array? I know there is a method for a Python list to return the first index of something. Is there something like that for NumPy arrays?
Yes, given an array, and a value, item to search for, you can use np.whereas. The result is a tuple with first all the row indices, then all the column indices. For example, if an array is 2 dimensions and it contained your item at 2 locations, then would be equal to your item, and so would be.
If you need the index of the first occurrence of only one value, you can use non-zero, or where, which amounts to the same thing in this case. If you need the first index of each of many values, you could obviously do the same as above repeatedly, but there is a trick that may be faster. The following finds the indices of the first element of each subsequence. Notice that it finds the beginning of both subsequence of 3s and both subsequences of 8s. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 8, 3, 8, 8. So it's slightly different than finding the first occurrence of each value. In your program, you may be able to work with a sorted version of T to get what you want.
You can also convert a NumPy array to list in the air and get its index. For example, it will print 1.
Just add a very performant and handy number alternative based on NP and denumerate to find the first index. This is pretty fast and deals naturally with multi-dimensional arrays. This can be much faster, because it's short-circuiting the operation, than any approach using NP where or NP non-zero. However, NP argware could also deal gracefully with multi-dimensional arrays. You would need to manually cast it to a tuple, and it's not short-circuited, but it would fail if no match is found.